Chapter 7 Storage Devices Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to know about data and how a computer gets it, about different storage devices. Warm up. Match the following objects with the thing where they can be stored. Match cloth with the almirah. Match shoe with the shoe rack. Match book with the cupboard. Match pens with the geometry box. Teacher's note. Apprise students that storage is space or a place for putting things for future use or for safekeeping. Hello friends, we learned about the computer lab etiquette in the previous chapter. Now let's get on the journey of learning about storage devices. What is data? Data refers to all the names, images, numbers and even sound. The teacher marks your attendance in her register. This is also data. The grades and marks that you get for your test are also data. Your school has many record books of parents' information that is also a data. How is data obtained by a computer? Only after receiving the data from you, the computer performs various tasks such as when you type using the keyboard, when you use the mouse to click on something on the screen to select it. For example, you want the computer to type the letter, you must type the alphabets from the keyboard. Only then the computer will type it. Let me answer. How does a computer get data? Where do you keep your belongings? We require a location to keep or store the information or objects. The important papers are kept in folders. Folders are kept in a cabinet. Vegetable, fruits, curd, milk and many other things are stored in a refrigerator. The books are kept in the library in cupboard. You keep your toys in a cupboard. Let me answer. Where do you keep your school bag? Where do computers keep their data? How do you remember things? It's because of your memory. The computer also remembers everything because it has different storage devices where computer data is stored. Storage devices. A storage device is an integral part of the computer hardware which stores information or data to process the result. Without a storage device, a computer would not be able to run. Hard disk. 1. The data inside the computer is stored in a hard disk. 2. The hard disk is kept inside the CPU box. Do you know? The first computer used punched cards to store data. Pen drive. 1. Data can be stored in pen drives. 2. These can be easily carried anywhere. Data card. 1. Data cards can be used to store data. 2. These are used in mobile phones, laptops, cameras, etc. Remember it. A computer's memory storage unit is known as a byte. Get IQ. If you would have to remember the series of the following objects, how would you do it? Car, bird, human, books, computer, water bottle, bag, pencil, teacher. Let's recall. 1. Data refers to all the names, images, numbers and even sound. 2. A storage device is a device used to store data or information. 3. Data is stored inside the computer in a hard disk. 4. Pen drive is a small storage device and can be taken anywhere. 5. The hard disk is kept inside the CPU box. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash can be taken anywhere. Answer: laptop. 2. Your mother stores the food in dash. Answer: refrigerator. 3. Without a dash, a computer would not be able to run. Answer: CPU. 4. A storage device is a device used to store dash or dash. Answer: data or information. 5. The data inside the computer is stored in a dash. Answer: hard disk. B. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. Only names from data. Answer: false. 2. Data cards are used in the refrigerators. Answer: false. 3. Clothes are kept in the refrigerator. Answer: false. 4. Data stored in pen drive can be carried to another place. Answer: true. 5. You cannot store data in a hard disk. Answer: true. C. Match the following. Match: these are used in mobile phones, laptops, cameras, etc. with data card. Match: the data is stored inside the computer here with hard disk. Match: it can be taken easily anywhere with pen drive. D. Tick the correct answers. 1. Data can be words or dash. A. Files. B. Folders. C. Pictures. Answer: A. Files. 2. You keep your toys in the dash. A. Refrigerator. B. Cupboard. C. Shoe rack. Answer: B. Cupboard. 3. Computer works on the dash given by you. A. Data. B. Files. C. Books. Answer: A. Data. 4. The hard disk is kept inside the dash box. A. Laptop. B. CPU. C. PCU. Answer: B. CPU. 5. Storage unit of computer's memory is called a dash. A. Byte. B. Byte. C. Bit. Answer: A. Byte. Critical thinking. A. Write the missing letters. 1. Data. 2. Computer. 3. Memory. 4. Information. 5. Device. B. I am a storage place or a device. Guess my name. 1. I am an integral part of computer software. Answer: storage device. 2. In school, people keep many books in my room. Answer: library. 3. You keep your books inside me. Answer: cupboards. 4. While coming to school, you put your notebooks in me. Answer: school bag. Teamwork. A. Take your teacher's help to play a memory game. Divide the class into 4 to 5 groups. 10 unique items can be placed in a tray by the leader. Cover the tray with a cloth. Teacher will show the item in the tray for 30 seconds to the first group. Students in the first group are required to write down all the things, name they can recall in a minute. The one who remembers the most item is the winner. Answer: do it yourself. B. Take help and collect picture of storage devices. Make a collage in an A3 size chart paper. Answer: do it yourself.